ENPO laga move Eastern Sumi Totim Hoho Apex Women Body of Eastern Sumi officially May 17 Longlin District Bra Program Dangor Rakina Eastern Nagaland Women Organization ENWO te affiliate Kuri Loigina Iki Logo Kam Kuri Jabole Program Rakilo Shem Yang Phe Konyak President of ENWO Welcome Addressing Unity and Mutual Upliftment Iki Logo Kam Kurgena Jailobo aro Matikhan ikilogo kam kurlogina Jaishakuli power of changes effect kurbole parbo aro itu significant Ivan Rakhilabra women organization ti takot rakhilogina Eastern Nagaland age lo jabole parbo kodia ase program ti representative from Eastern Sumitoti Mohoho aro Sumitoti Mohoho Khanbrapi short speech kodigina itu affiliation toli long cherish dream finally success krilushe itu karni ekjon bra ekjon respect kura baji kurgina encourage and support kri unity karni kam kur jabole kodi ase khoborte naga ei dikhan unprecedented move logina high speed 5G internet service Geo network Kifri district land miles village of Indian Myanmar border district region T 750 Mbps average speed of Bangalore and Pune city nishna provide kurdisha aro itu technology ani thaga tu digital divide remote area ti modern digital world equitable educational resources ani thaga kodia ase khobote part of Naga AD learning enhancement and accessibility project 3 sal karni NIT Ayog aro Kifri district administration Khanbra funded kurdigina Kifri te 5G internet service ani thaga tu geographical overcoming ekran hogina significant educational challenges ani thaga 6 days visit Naga AD Khan kodia ase next khobote senior BJP leader Rajnath Singh ja kali party favor political relay addressing prominent economic and financial fairness worldwide acknowledged kuri thaga nishna Modi government initiate kurgina 25 crore of citizen manukhan 10 sal poverty bra ulai dishe kurgina statement kuri dia ase Rajnath Singh laga speech ti BJP khan kitapi public logina mislead kura nai ko disha aro instead directly and honestly modob kurgina ahi jaisha aro 21st century India karni thakya ase ko disha aro aha sal bra tu Congress and SP influence party khan 2024 election khotom kurlo shekole harai jabo ko dia ase Indian Meteorological Department IMD khan hawa pani update di thakya sabti May 19 and 20 tarikh firmly widespread rainfall Nagaland state part alag ti ahibo khogina predict kuri dia ase National Weather Forecasting Agency report pi 7 days weather outlook Northeast state May 24 tak ahibole expect kuri lui ase aro itubar laga weather condition to cyclonic circulation laying over northeast Assam and neighborhood in lower tropical level thagibo koi dia ase khobote recently Myanmar military and rebel khan macheti May 13-15 larai ulaja issue karni 200 nishna bishibhag maki ama aro bacha khan Kamjon district bordering of Myanmar area ti designated camp set up kurgena boy thakya SDO jakali confirm kri dia ase aro recently Chief Minister N Biren Singh kodia sabti total of 5457 undocumented Myanmar migrant at the designated camp of Kamjon district ti settle kurgena thakya khobor kri dia ase khobote all commercial vehicle association SCVA Wokha district khan tu fesla kurlogina yearly commercial vehicle tax Naga political group NPGs khan collect kuri thakya Naga political group khan bora milai logina ekta platform te khara na kura takti entertain na kurbo kogina fesla kurlo shiko ase report SCVA khan itu gadam uthai lo atoli 17 of May 10 foundation day lotha ho kiti mark kurlogina fesla kurlo sha aro house khan pi 2014 resolution reaffirm kurgina NPGs khan laga meeting tepi propose kurgena thakya nakura takti attend na kurbo kurgena fesla kurla jonai dia ase itu karni in case tax payment nimiti harassment of office bearers member or vehicle of SCVA Wokha district related ti association khan pi warning kri digina responsible party khan bra action oporte accountable responsible thakbo ko disha aro SCVA khan tu one government one tax principle commitment re-FM kurgina Wokha bound commercial gari driver owner khan kun holipi tax digena thakshe koile nijor responsible pukhibo koi dia ase. All commercial vehicle association khan pi commercial gari driver aro malik khan ki mudu drugs reckless driving transporting warning kri digena association khan pi all commercial vehicle sub union khan ki choto moto case khan tu independently solve kurlo bole koi dishe holipi taxation related cases khan tu ACVA opor forward kur dibole koi digena forceful collection method ti action committee khan bra direct measures rakhibole awas uthai dia ase.